Hello, my friends on the internet. This is day 329 of me making an app to end doom scrolling, to put away phone addiction, because phone addiction is not very good. It kind of sucks, and no one wants to be on their phone all day. They actually want to do the things they want to enjoy. They want to actually live their life, but that doesn't happen. So that's what we're trying to solve. That's what we're trying to cure, and I'm trying to do it in a way that is not normal. What that means is most apps that are trying to do the same similar mission aren't attacking the root cause of this problem, and they're rather providing you with a temporary solution, a band-aid, to block the apps or to delete them, to set time limits up. I don't think this works. So what I've been working on is a solution to the problem. And the problem that I think we have is, one, social media's incentives aren't that great. They suck. They're aligned to keep you on your phone. That's how these platforms make more money. But two, at a deeper place, humans are on these apps day in and day out because, yes, they are designed against your weakness. They are designed to keep you there, but a lot of the time it's also because you have nothing better to do, or at least you can't think of anything better to do and how it may be better for you at the time. And that's what I'm trying to help solve. Finding something better to do, and then over time, developing your own autonomy and your own self direction to decide what you want out of life and how scrolling is probably not going to get you there. But first, finding something better to do. Now, I've been working on this app, as I said, for 329 days now. It's actually been over a year because I started last September and it is September now. The App Store version has been out since February of 2024, and it's going pretty well. My eye is kind of screwed, so just bear with me here if I do end up having to pause and get some stuff out of it. In other news, yes, here's how the app works. In order to find something better to do, I have made a list of 1,000 different topics. Out of these topics, you can save some to your list, then go to your save section and unsave or do whatever else. But most importantly, you can actually get a plan to do these things. Now, getting a plan consists of you swiping right on the topic, and then you'll get a plan like so. And each of these plans has curated content to help you do them. So it's not just a text. It used to just be text, but at this point, there is curated content for most of the plans, and I'm working on getting it to all of them. That's what I've been working on lately. And yeah, that's kind of what I've been working on lately. So yeah, that's the app. That's how it works. You do the plans. If it's something you're interested in doing, chances are you'll actually do it, and then you'll find something better to do. If you don't like the plan, try something else. That's okay. But the whole point is, you can't do this on your phone. You can't doom scroll if you're doing something you enjoy, for the most part. Yes, I know these platforms do grab you and they do drag you, so you still have to be careful, but there is a higher chance you will succeed into where you're wanting to go and doing things that are productive to your life, purpose, meaning, direction, or just interesting in some capacity more than scrolling. So yeah, that's Curiosity Quench. If you check off all the steps, it will then give you some confetti because you should celebrate your wins. As for today, day 329, I have been working on, as I said, adding more curated plans, but also I have been working on setting up the App Store to get more people to see it. Basically, it's called ASO. If you know what SEO is for search engines, ranking for search terms, you can do the same thing in the app stores. And I've been optimizing for that lately to try to get more organic downloads. And also have a meeting today for getting some more downloads by working with an influencer. So should go up this week, the posts that I'm paying for. And I think it will do quite well to get more users into the app, as the audience is a really good match. And I think it'll help those people in general explore their hobbies. So yeah, that's kind of what's been going on. That's kind of where we're at. And that's kind of what is next. There's not too much else to say. I just got to continue working on the app, adding curated content, and then making it better. That's kind of it. It's kind of boring. It's kind of how the days go. But little by little, we make some progress. Soon enough, we've come a long way. But it's been a year now of me making these videos and me doing this. And it's pretty crazy how fast that went by. Yeah. So that's it for now. Yesterday, we made about $100, which was pretty awesome. And I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep making the app better so it can help more people. And in turn, maybe they will give some money. Or maybe they'll choose the free version. The free version is pretty good too. But yeah, that's it for now. I love you guys. Take care. and I will see you guys in the next one.